As you can see, $13,345.02 just from selling one single PDF guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I did that. First thing first, here are the top 3 niches I love making PDF guides about because they're so emotional based, and emotion is what sells a PDF guide. New moms, because when you're a new mom, you're very emotional about the whole thing. Like I said, emotion sells PDF guides, okay? So you're a new mom, you're emotional about everything, you don't know what to do because you've never been a mom before, so boom, you can create a PDF guide that'll help new moms out. Newly divorced moms, okay? Keyword newly, because when you're newly divorced, you're very emotional as well, right? You don't know what to do, you don't know how to navigate it. Boom, you can create a PDF guide that'll help a newly divorced mom. Pregnant moms, very, very emotional, okay? It doesn't matter if it's your first pregnancy, second or third, the hormones and everything will always make you more emotional and going through things that you didn't go through the first time. So boom, you can create a PDF guide that'll help out pregnant moms. Which brings me to the PDF guide I sold to do over $13,000. How to stay sane as a single mom with zero time for yourself. So that ties in with this niche right here because single mom, okay? And the reason why this works so well is because when you're creating your PDF guide covers, you want the problem that they're going through to be the image you use. So as you can see, I use the image of a mom that, is very stressed out because her kids are, being kids. She's trying to, do work or whatever. And as you can see, it's just not working out. So that's why that matches the title, How to Stay Sane as a Single Mom. The image you use has to reflect what that, person is going through. So the emotions actually hit and, resonate with that person. So then they'll go on your website and give you their money. I can't stress this enough. Your PDF guide cover is extremely important. The title and the image you use, 100% one of the most important things to making your PDF guide business work. This is the exact PDF guide I sold. I'm showing it right here because that's the whole point of this channel, to help you out. As a matter of fact, I have a free course on this channel that I'll link in the description and pinned comment down below that shows you my exact step-by-step process. It's over 3 hours long and it's here for completely free. But so after that, all I did to market was I went on YouTube and typed in divorced moms, right? And then I just scrolled until I saw videos from creators that, went viral or just made sense. So for example, 1.7 million views, 800,000 subscribers. You want to, look for influencers that you can afford to pay. So for example, I chose someone around the 500,000 subscriber mark. This is not the influencer I used exactly. I can't show you that exact creator because of legal reasons and contracts we signed based on her rates. But let's say I like this influencer right here, 260,000 views. That's a lot of views and, 500,000 subscribers. So if you go on her page, you can then see, okay, on average, she gets about 10,000 views per video. Now, the reason why you don't really have to have someone who's getting millions of views to clearly make this work, because $13,000 is a lot of money from one PDF guide from one ad. But the reason why you don't need someone with millions of views is because when you're creating a guide about a topic that is for older demographics, so moms are typically older, they're very emotional about this right here. They're willing to spend money to alleviate that stress and help them out. And the people that are then going to watch this video right here, starting life over at 35 as a divorced single mom, the people that are willing to watch this video are in the same predicament, the same situation as her. So therefore they can relate and imagine in this video if she said, this PDF guide right here, How to Stay Sane as a Single Mom with Zero Time for Yourself, if she just said that in this video, that it really helped me navigate everything, you should check it out. Link in the description and pinned comment of this video. If she said that in this video with 260,000 views, you would easily make about $50,000 because the video that I did my shout out on didn't even get 100,000 views, not even 50,000 views, but we're still able to, convert at a high rate because the people that are watching this video are very, very emotional, very, very interested because they're so stressed that they want any help they can get. And also it allows you price your PDF guides higher than the norm because moms, they already have money. And because they're going through something, they're quite desperate And if someone that they watch, on YouTube, they spend 13 minutes, 14 minutes, 11 minutes, 10 minutes, they're spending time with this creator, whenever the creator uploads. So when the creator says, this PDF guide helped me out, check it out, they're willing to pay, upwards of $100 for a PDF guide because they trust the person that's making this video. And because they trust this creator, your conversion rate is going to be high because you don't need any convincing. The creator has done all the work for you by growing their audience and building, a loyal audience that trusts them in whatever they say. So go out there and give it a shot. And like I said, my full 3+ hour course on how to start your own PDF guide business will be linked in the description and pinned comment down below. It's completely free and right here on YouTube for you to watch and start your own business. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.